This is my cockatiel Spike. And he likes to have a fuss, don't you? Want a fuss? Want a fuss? Come on then. That's it. Put your head down. That's it. Do you like that? Is that nice? Okay, let's try this. Like that? Finished? Enough? Enough? More? 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 Oh, more. Okay. Okay. That good? Kiss. 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 Fuss. Fuss. No? Finished? Enough? Okay. No more. Okay. Okay. Right, let's see if we can get this a bit darker. Okay, here we go. Let's see. The nice people. Look, this is Spike. And fuss? And fuss? Go on then. And fuss? Yeah? Okay, that's it. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I've never done one of these videos before. Is that it? Finished? Yeah? No? Oh, tap my face. Want some more? Want some more? What do you want? Tap my face then. Tap my face. You missed it. Tap my face. More? More? Come on then. He loves his neck. Tickled, don't ya? He loves his neck tickled. If this is successful, I'll do a better one. Yeah? Okay, finished? Enough? Enough or more? 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 You haven't tapped my face. You've got to tap my face. You got more. More? Yeah? Yeah? Come on then. Kiss. Kiss. Say hello to the world, Spike. You want to whistle? Come on then. Come on then. Come on then, you know you can do it. You know you can do it, don't you? Come on, you can do it. No? Not going to do it? Okay. Oh, is that? Have you seen yourself? Have you seen yourself? Oh, birdie. Birdie. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Fuss? Come on then. Want to fuss? Yeah, I thought you did. I think it's finished. Oh no, it's not. Enough? More? Okay. Okay. More? More? Ooh. That's it. Pick all your little white bits off and flick them on my black shirt. That's it. More? You want more? You gotta tap my face then. Tap my face. More? 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 More fuss? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Well, I think that'll do for now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ta-da.